Hey there, Cool Ideas crew. Buckle up because we're diving into the future with a groundbreaking EV from Virginia's Revo Zero. The Energy, an SUV that's not just electric but brings hydrogen power to the table. Yes, you heard me right. It's like they combined the best of both worlds to create the ultimate road trip companion. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hydrogen and electric. What kind of wizardry is this? Well, folks, the Energy is not your regular EV, it's a hybrid marvel, featuring a hydrogen fuel cell and a plug-in hybrid battery. You can charge it at home and still embark on those epic cross-country adventures, stopping by hydrogen refueling stations like they're checkpoints in a video game. But here's the kicker. It's not just about convenience, it's about range. The Energy boasts a jaw-dropping 700-mile range, making it the king of the electric jungle and leaving competitors in the dust. Now, let's talk about the recharging time. 7 minutes. Yes, you heard me right again. 7 minutes, and you're good to go. That's faster than waiting in line for your morning coffee. I mean, who wouldn't want a car that recharges quicker than you can say, "I'll take a double espresso, please"? And the design, oh, it's not just about what's under the hood. The Energy comes with sliding doors, a feature so rare in SUVs that it's like finding a unicorn at a car dealership. Plus, they've got a nifty door-stop system to prevent any accidental bumps because safety first, right? Inside, it's a tech lover's dream with a Tesla-style portrait screen stealing the show. And did I mention a panoramic glass roof? It's like driving in a spaceship, but with a view. The seats are not just seats, they're captain's chairs with sustainable materials. Because who said saving the planet can't be stylish? Now, I'm not sure about those low-profile tires for off-roading, but hey, they've got a 360 flashlight function, flashlight or daytime running lights, who knows? It's like they thought of everything, from city streets to starry nights at the campsite. So, if you're ready to hop on the hydrogen electric wave, Revo Zero is taking $500 refundable deposits. Just keep in mind, we haven't seen the full-size mock-ups yet, and the delivery date is still in the development stage, but hey, the future of driving looks pretty darn exciting, don't you think? Stay cool, stay charged, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool ideas.